Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Storyline 360 installed, articulate account active, and all assets organized. Open a new project and set the player size and slide master so styles inherit consistently. Once done, import your storyboard or PowerPoint. Make sure to map slides to scenes immediately. You should name scenes clearly and create folders for media. This prevents rework later and gives you a predictable structure to build interactions on top of. You now construct core interactions, convert key visuals into slides, then add layers for alternate responses or feedback. Use variables for branching logic and attach triggers to buttons so the experience reacts to user choices. Once layers are in place, fine-tune the timeline, stagger animations and voiceover so attention is guided correctly. Make sure to preview frequently. This reveals timing or trigger conflicts early and lets you iterate without losing context. You finalize by publishing with the intended output. Review 360 for stakeholder review or SCORM/X API for your LMS. Verify reporting and resume settings before upload. Then test across devices and browsers to confirm responsiveness and media playback. If something breaks, inspect triggers and variables first. Mistimed triggers or misspelled variable names cause most issues. As a quick troubleshooting tip, isolate the failing slide in a new file to reproduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.